Right now we're off to Humberside. We'll talk more when we get there.
Bye.
Bye. We've just arrived at the hotel. Look. Okay, it's day 2. We've just had breakfast and I was just waiting to Natalie and Jazz to pick us up in reception to go to the Birdseye Eye Pea Fields.
This is what the harvester gets on, and the harvester will come along, pick all them up like that. You see you've got what's on there too. You've got 6 pods on there, so that's a good plan.
Yeah.
It's safe to go to the factory for a breeding process, and it's definitely safe. Gives you a chance to get into it, harvest it, and in my point of view, get other bits of being on the road all the time. So it's a nice size.
But it's got to be a minimum size, hasn't it? I'm sure you wouldn't get after.
There was a minimum size, I don't know if that's still implemented or not.
I mean, the machine wouldn't get on it if it's too small.
Yes, more or less. Effective, because presumably you keep your 3 machines and the rest of your convoy together. Yeah. So,
Probably not.
You okay?
Yes, you can go away. No, it's quite it is, isn't it? I've been opening the paper. I know. Gosh.
You here?
what?
I'm moving when it gets to me.